Set in the most exclusive enclave of the Upper North Shore is this grand single-level residence. Welcome to 23 Braeside Street in Wahroonga. A very generous single-level floor plan with large separate living spaces that function all around, opening towards beautiful manicured, private and sunny gardens. There are 4 large bedrooms and a separate office. The master bedroom has its own wing and opens up beautifully to the backyards and privacy. There is a very rare triple garage parking and plenty of storage. Whether it be for guests, a live-in nanny, or friends from overseas, there's separate accommodation with its own privacy and access to ensure the most beautiful comfort for your guests. The home is positioned in one of the North Shore's best streets, only a short walk to the vibrant Wahroonga Village, Knox Grammar School, Wahroonga Train Station, Abbotsleigh Prep, and walk to the Bush School. The land is over 1,800 square metres. It is perfectly level and it has an impressive 25-metre frontage. Surrounded by some of the North Shore's finest estates, this truly is a very rare opportunity. My name's Alex Mintorn. I look forward to showing you through.